Chuck Taylor is in South Carolina at this hour getting ready for his reports tonight on Hurricane Hugo. And Gary Rizzo is here. And Gary, it looks like Chuck in the storm arriving about coincidentally, about the same time.
Well, Chuck was planning to be there before the storm, and he will, Gary. But the bad news is Hurricane Hugo has intensified. Winds are now 135 miles per hour. We'll take a look at the regional satellite map. The dark gray circle there is where the colder cloud tops are, hurricane force winds, and then like a bullseye you see white and then the eye of the storm. So in the, around the eye of the storm, winds are now as high as 135 miles per hour. Hurricane Hugo is moving northwest at 20 miles per hour and will make landfall. You see the arrow there in that part of South Carolina between Savannah, between Charleston and Myrtle Beach between 12 and 2 a.m. Why is Hurricane Hugo intensifying? It's encountering warmer ocean waters, and that's the reason why it's actually getting stronger. This is what Hugo's done since Saturday, and you see the strike probability there between Charleston and Wilmington. Let's take a look at Ohio Valley temperatures. We have partly cloudy skies, a few scattered showers east of Frankfort. Temperatures look like this, 75 up in South Bend, and then we get into the low and mid-80s along the Ohio River. We have a southeasterly flow of air bringing in the humidity from the Carolinas, and temperatures are as high as 84 at Cincinnati, Frankfort, and Bowling Green. Well, at Stanford Field, let's take a look at our current conditions, and we're also at 84 degrees this hour. The relative humidity is at 57%. The wind is kind of shifting around in all directions. It's north at 3, and the barometer is falling a bit at 29.95. The pollution was in the moderate category at 54. Today's high was a summer-like 86. Only 79 is normal. Last night's low was 67. Precipitation, we haven't added to the totals as of yet, but in less than 24 hours, we will add to the totals. Now we'll take a look at the National Radar Summary, and we have all the precipitation at the right-hand part of your screen, including the spiral bands associated with Hugo, but more toward Kentucky, we see showers and thunder showers. We have a couple of fronts in the middle and upper part of your screen, and that one in Canada will be moving down in our direction. But that's going to get here Saturday. We have high pressure in New England and high pressure in the Rockies, and the frontal system moving off to the east. And tomorrow, the two fronts will be bearing down closer to the Ohio Valley with rain from New England to the Ohio Valley and Hugo in the Carolinas, but downgraded to tropical depression status. So for Louisville, here's the way it looks for tonight. Increasing clouds, and there will be a few showers arriving by tomorrow morning with a low of 68. Then tomorrow, expect cloudy skies with occasional showers and thunder showers and a high of 78. Tomorrow night, as that strong cold front gets here, periods of rain and thunder showers turning cooler. Low down to 56, and get a load of this extended outlook. Clearing, windy, and cooler Saturday. Partly cloudy, highs in the low to mid-60s. Lows will be in the lower 40s by Monday morning. Fall officially arrives Friday night, and this weekend, first weekend of fall, we will have fall-like weather. So quite a bit of information here, and Chuck Taylor will be bringing us live reports at 11.
Thank you, Gary. The leaves will be turning before you know it. Coming up, we'll find out how a Louisville running back is handling his newfound notoriety.